In this kind of Bluetooth headphones, one side of the headphone stops working after few months of the buy. And in this video, we are going to replace it with the other headphone and let's see how it's working. The first step is to open this tab and see what is inside it. You can see a chipset and a battery. Just keep in mind that we are going to do nothing with this chipset and battery, so handle it carefully. Now we are going to desolder the headphone wires. Now take another headphone which you are going to replace this one. Just cut off the wires and unseparate the two cables of the speakers. You can see there are a copper enameled wires inside it. We are just going to remove the enamel from the copper wire. Just show this wire to it and you can see that it's burned. That's it guys. You can even remove this with the help of a knife. Now you can see that both the cables have a ground terminal. That's nothing but the one that is in the copper, and the rest of the two cables that is in blue and red are said to be positive. In the board itself they have specifically mentioned that which are going to be positive and which are going to be negative, and it makes our work a lot easier. We are just going to solve it out as per. Now the final step is to cover this with the container given. That's it guys, we have completed and now it's time for testing. Let's see how it's working. Turn on and just going to connect it with my smartphone. Yeah, it's connected. Now we can say how it's working. That's all guys, it's working fine. And if you want to do this at your home, just repeat my instructions and see you in another video. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel before, just hit the subscribe button and turn the notification to all so that you don't miss any videos. See you soon in another video. Stay creative. Goodbye.